Hi you guys, this is Danita Young with Booty Bands, and of course you have Cindy.
Yeah.
I love Cindy, she's such a doll. And today we are making
blueberry vegan ice cream.
Tell us about it, Cindy.
Okay, so we want to show you this recipe because we want to teach you that you can live a healthy lifestyle and still work sweets into it. If you're like me and you have a sweet tooth, you don't have to deprive yourself. You can make something that's just as good as buying ice cream at the store, but it actually has a lot of health benefits. So
benefits are?
Okay, so the benefits are we've got blueberries, which are jam-packed with antioxidants, as are cashews. So antioxidants fight free radicals, so they're gonna help you fight disease, fight cancer, and then also keeps your skin young, fresh, and it's really good for your hair, skin, and nails. Step one is to soak the cashews overnight in water so that they soften up for the blender. So these are raw cashews, and we put them in this closed container overnight filled with water so that it can absorb some of the water. It will soften them up so that when you blend it, it will turn into more of like a creamy paste as opposed to just breaking them up.
This is a 1 cup to 1 cup ratio. So we got 1 cup blueberries and 1 cup of the soaked cashews.
So at this point, taste test it, and if you think it's already sweet enough, like us, you don't have to add any additional sweetener. But if you have a super sweet tooth and you want it to be a little bit sweeter, you can use agave and just put a little bit in there to taste and blend it up some more, see if you like it. Just add a little bit at a time, I would suggest. So we chose to use blueberries for this recipe, but you can substitute any kind of fruit flavor that you want this to taste like. So next we are going to try out the raspberry recipe, and then after that we're also going to try out banana.
So the consistency kind of looks like Play-Doh, but it tastes really, really good. We had our taste testers tell us it was really good too. And now we're gonna place it into the fridge. You can make a lot more than this. This was just a sample, and it was just basically just know it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So whatever cashews that you mix with, whatever fruit you're gonna put with it.
Another thing that you can do is if you have some vegan chocolate, you can melt that in a saucepan, and after you freeze the ice cream, if you just spread it pretty thin, let it sit in the freezer for about 2 hours, and then slice it into small squares, cover that in the vegan chocolate, put it back in the freezer, and they're like little blueberry Klondike bars, but vegan and healthy.
I think we should show them our chocolate brownies after this video. Awesome, so stay tuned for that video as we show you the chocolate brownies eventually. And that is also good for your booty because it has protein in it. And let's see, if you like these videos, go ahead and hit like and subscribe right here. And if you want a booty band, right here, because it will just get you those awesome booty gains that we have been developing. Thanks guys.